Hello fashionistas, welcome to E-Fashion World, your number one urban destination for the best of African fashion. The month of June is winding up gradually, and by the end of this month, we will have completed half of this year. And I want to believe that within our little capacity, we'll be able to dish out the best of African fashion to you thus far from the beginning of this year to this very moment. And we are doubling down on our quest in ensuring that African fashion becomes a global phenomenon, a global thing that will be celebrated across the world. And today's video is not an exception to that disposition. As those guys are rolling by, you can see that there are another lovely, beautiful collections of best of African fashion. And you know, when we come through like this, we come through for everyone, for every fashionistas, regardless of your body type or preference of styles. We've got everyone covered in our video. Just as usual, sit back, relax, and get yourself thrilled and stunned with what we have come through for you today, and most definitely you will be glad you did. If what you love is long straight gown, if you love boo kaftan, if you love skirt and blouse, we've packed everything for you in this very video. And all praise and credit in this video goes to those highly resourceful fashion designers who put all this together and avail us the opportunity of showcasing them to the rest of the world. Kudos to them. Enjoy this lovely video. Leave your thoughts below in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up if you find the styles in it interesting, and don't forget to share this video with family and friends for us to really spread the trend of African dresses and styles across the world. My name is BJ, a fashion enthusiast and a promoter of African print designs, and also an ambassador of African fashion. Wishing you a lovely, terrific, rewarding day ahead, and I will see you at the end of the video. Thank you. Thank you for watching that lovely video. Hope you enjoy what we've brought to you today. If you do, give this video a thumbs up and help us to share this video with family and friends for us to even spread the trend across the globe. And don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. My name is BJ. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.